Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili garlic sauce for your food business. First, choose ripe red chilies for the best flavor and color. About 1 pound is a good starting point. Next, prepare fresh garlic cloves, roughly 1/4 cup, ensuring they are peeled and ready. Finally, gather your other key ingredients: white vinegar, a few tablespoons of salt, and a neutral cooking oil. These foundational elements are crucial for a delicious and consistent product. Now let's get to the preparation. Thoroughly wash your chilies and carefully remove the stems. You can deseed some for less heat, but leaving a portion of the seeds adds a nice kick. Next, roughly chop both the chilies and the peeled garlic. This makes blending much smoother. Transfer these to a food processor and blend until you reach a coarse, uniform consistency, not a fine paste. This texture is key for authentic chili garlic sauce. With your mixture ready, it's time to cook. Heat about 1/4 cup of neutral oil in a pot over medium heat, then add your blended chili and garlic. Sauté this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently. Next, reduce the heat to low and simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a small amount of sugar if you prefer a slightly sweeter profile. For your food business, proper storage is vital. Once cooled, transfer your chili garlic sauce into sterilized, airtight containers. This ensures freshness and extends shelf life. Remember to include clear labeling with ingredients, nutritional information, and best-by dates for compliance and customer trust. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals. A consistent, high-quality product, safely packaged, will help your business thrive and keep customers coming back for more.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.